Prophet ﷺ impressed upon us in that famous hadith. That hadith in Al-Bukhari of Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. Man sama Ramadan imanan wa ihtisaba, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbi. Whosoever fasts the month of Ramadan with that level of iman, seeking and wanting to draw closer to Allah, knowing that you need to trust in Allah, turn to Allah, increasing your taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know that Allah Azza wa Jalla alone is the one who can shower His mercy upon you, forgive your sins, meet your needs, answer your supplications. And then you do it with that hope in your heart, that hope for the reward of Allah, that hope for Allah's forgiveness, for His limitless reward. Allah Azza wa Jalla will forgive you for all of your past sins. And it's not just the fasting of Ramadan, but it's the qiyam of Ramadan, that night prayer, that again is one of those acts of worship that most of us struggle with throughout the year. This is an opportunity for you to spend a part of your night, and especially this year, as a lot of the month of Ramadan, or most of it is in the earlier part of the year when the time for Isha is earlier. That is an opportunity for me and you to worship Allah Azza wa Jalla during the night. Man qama Ramadan imanan wa ihtisaba, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbi. Whosoever stands the month of Ramadan in prayer with iman, hoping in Allah's reward, then Allah will forgive him for all of their past sins. And as is mentioned, the hadith of Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu, to show to you the amazing reward that is on offer in this month, in what is collected in the Musnad al-Bazzar, that the Prophet said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Inna lillahi tabaraka wa ta'ala utaqa fi kulli yawmin wa laylah, ya'ni fi Ramadan. Allah Azza wa Jalla, in every single night and every single day of Ramadan, Allah emancipates and frees people from the fire. Single act of worship, single deed, and you don't know which one of those deeds is most pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but it may be enough to take your name out of that scroll that goes of the people of the fire and to enter you into Jannah.